Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will write the name of this application of Telegram and you will search about it. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.